November 1st, 10 o'clock, high tide, 2012, after Sandy. This is a mural. This is the heyday of the hotels, recorded in a tile mural. We continue on and we see the devastation that occurred in the 1938 hurricane, recorded here by a beautiful mural with waves and destruction, everything toppling, the casino gone, the tower still standing. And now we have a pleasant scene with fishermen, and that still goes on. And meanwhile, I will cross the street on Ocean Road and show you the sea and the havoc it has rained in 2012. And the road is cleared now, normally filled with debris. That's how quickly people operate with machines. There is going to be a lasting effect here. I am crossing over now, and you will see some of the devastation of the beach itself, which is now like snow, mounds of snow, plowed together from the parking lot for Narragansett Town Beach. The parking lot itself is broken into pieces. There are rocks strewn all over it, and the ocean is still a playground. The playground of the surfers. There's hardly any beach to walk on. This is what you have. Coming towards high tide on November 1st. Far in the distance, I see a working vehicle. I don't know what they call them. Dumpster. I don't know. It's not a dumpster. Whatever it was called, to lift more sand off the other spots. We want that sand back on our beach to cover the piers that show up now. Here comes a surfer. The stairs are gone. This is where the stairs were. I didn't even notice that until now. The stairs are all gone. You cannot walk down to the beach on the stairs. But you can jump off the wall if you want to, onto the rocks. Well, that's it for now.